Hi, my name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to inward heel flip. The first step and the first trick you need to learn to perform an inward heel flip, you need to learn how to ollie first. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the ollie down, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to perform an inward heel flip, you need to learn how to backside pop Chevy. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the backside pop Chevy in there, the next step and the next trick you need to learn to perform an inward heel flip, you need to learn how to heel flip. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the heel flip in there, the only tricks you really need for the inward heel flip, you need to do the backside pop Chevy and the heel flip. So if you add those tricks in this trick, you will perform an inward heel flip. So this is what that look like. I'm glad that's over, because that trick is really hard to do. But like I showed you a minute ago, to performing an inward heel flip, foot positions for the trick is really simple. All you gotta do really is set up like a heel flip to performing an inward heel flip. So in my personal setup, I kind of set up like a heel flip mixed in with an ollie setup. So when I'm setting up like an inward heel flip, I'll place my kicking foot like this on the board, and I have my kicking foot kind of hanging off the board like this. But you gotta have your toes hanging off the edge when you performing an inward heel flip, just like my foot is placed at. And I have my popping foot placed on the board, kind of on the board like this, so it can give me a better pop and scoop when I'm performing an inward heel flip. And also to performing an inward heel flip, when you performing an inward heel flip, when you trying to add the heel flip with this trick, when you about to heel flip, you want to kick the board backwards. So you want to kick the board backwards so it can flip like this, so it can do that motion. So if you kick the board like that with your feet, it'll perform the motion of that trick. And another key secret to this trick, you want to pop Chevy and scoop while you flipping the board like a heel flip. So if you scoop and heel flip at the same time when you're performing an inward heel flip, it'll do the motion the right way. So the main tricks you gotta do to performing an inward heel flip is an ollie, a backside pop Chevy, and a heel flip. So if you combine all three of those tricks together, you got yourself an inward heel flip. So that's how you perform an inward heel flip. So if you feel like this video has helped you on some tips, don't forget to share it with a homie or a friend that you know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.